Okay, y'all, so brunch season is here. We in May, and I thought it would be good for us to do some brunch. I thought it would be good for us to do some brunch recipes. Mother's Day is coming up, so this would be a good recipe for Mother's Day, or just if you're trying to do some, it's spring brunch type vibes. So we're gonna do something called croissant bowls. Very inexpensive, very cheap, but very kind of fancy, kind of good, you know? So let's get started. So the product that I'll be using of mine is gonna be the DivineKuizine Sugar Spice. So this is another way that you can use my product. So what I have is I have some croissants here, and I have some melted butter. And we're gonna do about 2 or 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Of the DivineKuizine Sugar Spice in the melted butter, because we're gonna kind of put this on the outside of these croissant boats. So you kind of gotta get a little bit of that savory and sweet all in one bite. So I have a little bit of that going. So now we're gonna go ahead, and this is easy. This is easy, so when you're doing your Mother's Day or you're doing your brunches, this is not something that's gonna be hard, but it'll look impressive. So we're gonna cut them open like so, because we're gonna take off the top. Butter and sugar mixture, the butter and the DivineKuizine Sugar Spice mixture. And we're just gonna kind of put it all over the outer side of the croissants. So we're gonna put a little bit of peppers in all of them at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead, and I have colored peppers, but you can use whatever kind of peppers you wanna use. So we're gonna put the peppers. I did green, orange, and yellow peppers. And you kind of like wanna chop them kind of finely up. And then I have some green peppers. But you can use jalapenos or whatever, green peppers. And then I have some red onion for all of them. So I'm gonna put some red onion in here. Red onion. And then I'm gonna take our caramelized bacon. I'm gonna put 2 of the pieces of bacon in here in the boats. 2 pieces of bacon. And then for a vegetarian one, I have some feta cheese. So I'm gonna put some feta cheese in them. But you could do spinach, you could do, you know, whatever floats your boat. And I have some tomatoes, so we'll put some tomatoes in here as well. And just a little bit of mozzarella on top. Tad bit of cheddar cheese, and then we're gonna put that egg on there where that will get it. Well, let's finish this one too. So for the bacon, I'm going to put cheese. I think we're just gonna do cheese on top because we have tomatoes on the other one. So we're gonna just put some cheese on these. Then I have some cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna mix it with the mozzarella. We have all our eggs in the center. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the oven at 325 for probably about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how hot your stove is. And you need to look at it and kind of see how everything is going. Everything's melted and cooked. So let's go in and taste. And I use that sugar spice. So I'm curious to see how that glazed up on the croissant. That bacon that I caramelized, and then you get the caramelized from the croissant with the DivineKuizine Sugar Spice on that we glazed with the butter and the sugar spice on it. So it's giving you that savory, sweet combo. And you can cut these up like in half or whatever, or you can have it as great presentation on your plate, you know, for your brunch or for your Mother's Day. Have some grits or whatever you're gonna have. The creaminess from the cheese. So you got, okay, so let me break it down. You got the sweet from the DivineKuizine butter, sugar spice butter. Then you got the creaminess from that egg. So the egg is giving you that creaminess, and then the bacon is giving you that savory sweet because we caramelize it. Then you have those peppers that are coming in there, and that cheese. So you're getting that cheese and that creaminess. This is just a perfect thing. You don't even, I mean, you have everything right there, you know? You don't have to do a side of bacon, a side of eggs or whatever, or you have the vegetarian ones that you can do. So these are super good for brunches, Mother's Day, or whatever, a good breakfast buffet that you're trying to put together, or a brunch you're trying to put together. You have your grits on the side, some potatoes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And don't forget, what gave that nice croissant, that sweetness, was the DivineKuizine Sugar Spice. So to get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com, and I'm gonna eat my croissant bowl. Love y'all, Shay.